What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. I did pick up a new camera, so if you notice the quality is a little better, let me know in the comments. It's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I've been waiting for it to cool down all day so that I can head over to the bike park. I moved back to Thousand Oaks, California, and we were fortunate enough to have a city-funded bike park. There's a small line for the kids, a medium line, and then a big line. I've never been there, but they just put in a new big line, so me and my buddy Dylan are gonna head over there and check it out. I'm charging up my GoPro right now, so hopefully I'll be able to get quite a bit of footage with that. And if not, I will try and hand over this camera to Dylan or one of my friends there and have them get a few clips. That's a big part of my life and a big part of why I was good at Supercross, I think. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We'll catch up with you guys at the bike park.
Goddamn pumped, dude.
So damn high. I almost hit you. Somebody who doesn't go 9 feet in the air.
Oh, got it. Alright guys, I hope you liked the bike park stuff. If you did, this stuff's super fun. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Maybe we'll do like a full edit sometime. But right now I'm headed to the shop. If you remember a while back when I built the CR250, a company called CMT sent me a full carbon fiber gas tank for it. They sent me another box for the KTM 450 with a bunch of other carbon fiber goods. So we're gonna go to the shop, unpackage that, and I'll show you guys everything that they sent me. All right guys, we got everything pulled out of the box over here. Wanted to go ahead and kind of compare these two, so I left the front wheel off the bike. But the CMT one is really cool because the like wheel spacer is built into the actual disc guard, which like on this one, you know, like the disc guard is mounted to like a wheel spacer like adapter type thing, which is also kind of an interesting way to go about it too. You think that KTM would do like a mount on the actual lugs up here. Honda has it like right here and here and somewhere back here. But Yeah, the KTMs don't have that, so they run off of the wheel spacer themselves, but this one's actually really cool. The wheel spacer is like integrated into the actual disc guard rather than using adapters, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. It also, like, obviously you can't see how much it weighs, but it feels like it weighs quite a bit lighter than, which I guess is the point of running carbon fiber. So we'll see how that mounts up, see how it fits here in just a second. They also sent carbon fiber swing arm guards, which maybe if I do some like off-road riding, I might throw those on. I'm gonna leave them off for now, but that's actually a really cool piece. And they all have really good, like, the weave in the carbon is really, really cool. So high quality stuff for sure. Definitely top of the line carbon fiber parts from CMT. They also sent not a carbon fiber tank, but a carbon fiber cover for the top. And this looks like it's for the lowers. I'll mount that up in just a second here, see how that stuff fits and looks. And then also a skid plate. Again, the carbon fiber weave in this is like second to none. This stuff is really, really cool. I already have a carbon fiber cover on there right now, so I might save this if that one gets dinged up. And then also they sent some frame guards, which I like these a little bit better than the ones that I have on, just because of the weave and just the quality of everything is really high. So throw those on too. And then these are probably the thing that I'm most excited about. I already pulled these out of the package, but carbon fiber engine hangers. These are definitely a really interesting product. I've never seen carbon fiber engine hangers before. But we'll throw these on. I already have black ones on there right now, so won't look visually that much different. Well, I guess it will, because it'll kind of match the carbon fiber covers that I have already on the bike. So throw these on and update you guys here in a second. All right, one thing that I'm noticing of the CMT versus the existing one that I have on there right now is there's good side impact protection, you know, if you hit a rock or somebody hits you from the side. But it always kind of bothered me that there's like this odd gap between, you can kind of see it on camera, like the disc is here, so front impact isn't protected. It's really hard to get this thing to focus, but the front impact isn't protected by the actual disc guard. I don't know if that's because of the mount I used, butting up to this, it's like a P3 with an Acherbis, so I don't know, let me know in the comments if it fits a little better when you use the actual P3 with P3 or Acherbis with Acherbis. But this CMT one, I mean, it's obviously super easy install, literally just a wheel spacer. But it really, like, the profile of it is like really tight up against the disc. It isn't as bulky, and already I like the way this looks. So go ahead and throw this thing on, show you what it looks like on the bike. All right, there you go, she's all installed. Like I said, the fitment is really, really good on this thing. You can see the front of the disc is completely guarded, as well as the side of it. I think they put these big holes in there for cooling. Looks really cool though. So I'm stoked on that. We'll move on to the rest of the bike. I guess I forgot to mention that the bike is now gray. Some of you guys thought this was white on Instagram. It is not, it's gray. All right, I got the frame guards all mounted up. They are a little bit better fit and finish than the other ones that I had on here. It's almost like a little bit of a square mold, and then also it looks a little bit more glossy, and the weave is a lot tighter. So same mounting points as the other ones though, just the one bolt on this side, 2 zip ties, and then on this side it's the opposite. It's 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and a zip tie up top. So very simple install. I'm pretty sure they make guards for pretty much all bikes and applications, so definitely check these guys out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the tank now, and then the engine mounts, which I'm most excited about. All right, so we just got the CMT gas tank covers installed, full carbon fiber. I was a little on the fence about these, but they look absolutely amazing. And it's actually a really good idea. I probably should have showed it before I put them on, but I had a pretty good scuff mark right here for my knee brace, and then same thing on this side. These are really cool. The lowers will protect rocks and from the upper part of the boot. Obviously, like I said, the tops will protect you from your knees, and then the bottom as well. This actually sticks out really far, so my boot did catch that a couple times and scuff it up. I don't feel it when I ride the bike, but it definitely showed some wear and tear, so it'll be cool to have those, save the fresh tank. I wish I had these from the start when this thing was stock to, you know, protect that plastic tank, but it looks really cool. The last bit we're gonna install is those carbon fiber engine hangers. Again, it probably won't be that crazy of a difference, but it'll be cool having carbon. Kind of obsessed with carbon with this bike. But yeah, this was also something that I didn't really like reach out to them and ask for. They just noticed that I was building a bike, sent it to me. So huge shout out to CMT. If you're interested in their parts, I'll include their website on the screen. All right, engine mounts are all buttoned up. Super easy install, obviously, take them right out. Fitment's super good. I did notice, like, whenever I install something like that, it's easier to actually put this bolt in first, leave it a little bit loose, and then install the top ones. Just fitment wise, it's way easier to do that. But yeah, a couple simple little add-ons that are gonna make the bike a little bit more flashy. I'm waiting on graphics from Moto Cuts right now. They're doing a version of the graphics that I had on here before, but a little bit different. So hopefully you guys like that, because I know I love the design of them. Engine mount on this side looks awesome too. All the carbon really ties the thing together. When I took these off, I did kind of miss that bare frame look, but I really don't want to scuff this thing up, so I'm gonna leave them on for now. And then I will update you guys next week when I get the graphics. We'll go do some riding too. Also, let me know what you guys thought about the BMX stuff in the beginning of this video. As always, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, comment, and let me know what you guys are thinking. We'll see you in the next one later on.
Aside from my soul.